Yeah. Through the noise, through the rain, we're still here. Bills on the table, stressing my head. Some nights I can't sleep in my bed. I smile outside, but inside I'm tired. Still showing up, still walking this wire. Friends moved on, plans fell through. Some days I don't know what to do, but I lace my shoes and I step back out, 'cause giving up was never what I'm about.
I carry worries I don't always say, hold back tears, still make my way. Some dreams delay, some doors close, some prayers waste, but nobody knows. I've been strong when I felt weak, been quiet when I wanted to speak, but I'm still here, still breathing too, still believing something good will come through. We're still standing
after all this time,
still hoping.
When the road don't shine, life tried to break us, bend us, bruise,
but look at us,
we still choose.
Still standing
through the doubt and pain,
still trusting.
Sunshine after rain, we don't have it all, but we understand
life is hard,
but we're still standing. I question God, I won't pretend. Asked him how much longer till this ends, but every time I thought I was done, he gave me strength for one more run.
I'm not rich, I'm not famous, just trying to live honest and painless. And every scar that I wear today
reminds me I'll survive my way.
I've lost some things I loved so much, felt so alone, needed one good touch, but I learned my heart is stronger than fear. Learn how to keep going year by year.
Some days I fall, some days I rise, some days I just breathe and close my eyes, but I'm still here, and that's my win.
Still trying, still starting again. We're still standing
after all this time,
still hope.
When the road don't shine, life tried to break us, bend us, bruise,
but look at us,
we still choose.
Still standing
through the doubt and pain,
still trust.
Sunshine after rain, we don't have it all, but we understand
Life is hard, but we're still standing.
To anyone tired but still awake,
To anyone caring more than they can take,
if all you did was make it through the day,
that's not small.